I bet you didn't know, most Bluetooth issues in your GMC Sierra are super easy to fix. Stick around, and let's get you reconnected. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in both your truck and your phone. Sometimes it's the simplest things we overlook. Next, delete your Sierra from your phone's Bluetooth list, and remove your phone from the truck's device list. This clears out any old data that might be causing the problem. Now, restart both your phone and your truck's infotainment system. Trust me, this step solves a ton of random glitches. Once everything's back on, try pairing your phone and truck again. On your phone, tap on your Sierra when it pops up in the Bluetooth menu. Still not working? Make sure your phone's software and your GMC's infotainment system are up to date. Manufacturers roll out updates to fix issues like this all the time. If none of that works, try a factory reset on your truck's infotainment system. Just remember, this will erase all your saved settings, so only do it as a last resort, and that's it. Most GMC Sierra Bluetooth problems can be fixed with these simple steps. Save yourself a trip to the dealership and get back to driving connected. Thanks for watching Fix Your GMC Sierra Bluetooth Issues Now. Like and subscribe for more quick solutions.